Nanababo Kabalen, welcome to Meron Pampanga. For today's video guys, hanap mo ba ay murang samgyupsal na palaban? Kaya samahan niyo po ako, nandito tayo ngayon sa Hungry Tiger Grill and Samgyupsal. Notice, ito yung mga kakainin natin ngayon guys. If you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po ako, let's go! Way back around 2016, one of the first restaurants na na-feature natin.
Siya yung nag-viral na nakilala siya sa Andy Steak.
Andy Steak. That was more than 5 years ago. And now, meron po siyang unlimited samgyupsal which caters dun sa mga pangmasa naman. Ayun. So, sabi ko nga, as low as 219 pesos, you can actually have unlimited samgyupsal. Aside from that, meron pa rin silang mga a la carte. So, ano ba yon? Tingnan natin sa table natin. Ayun. Kain na tayo. Brother, pag ganito, anong unahin mo?
Actually, di ko rin alam anong unahin ko eh. Pero dito, napakadaming options sa when it comes sa mga a la carte. So, meron tayong baby back ribs, meron tayong porterhouse, grilled pusit, seafood selfie cow, meron din tayong liempo. Dami natin choices. Even salad and syempre sisig available dito. Porterhouse. All in one bite.
Alright. Yes, of course. All in one bite.
All in one bite.
Alright, so yun nga guys, isa namang pupuntahan ninyo dito sa may Angeles City kung kayo naghahanap ng samgyupsal na mura pero palaban. Guys, you gotta check out this Hungry Tiger.
Yes, they are open from 3 p.m. to 12 midnight, Monday to Sunday, and they are located dito sa may Pulung, Cacutud, Angeles City. Ang pinaka-landmark lang naman nila katapat lang nila yung Punta Verde subdivision.
Alright, so yun guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you here.
So that's it. Thank you for watching Meron Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.